political front itself, West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose has once again taken a jibe at the West Bengal government over the RG Kar rape and murder case. He has claimed that West Bengal is not a safe place for women and it has failed the women. He has stated that West Bengal should be brought back to its pristine glory where women had a respectable place in society. He has stated that women are now scared of gundas and this has been created by the current administration. Let's in fact listen in to what C.V. Anand Bose had to say.
Bengal is not a place safe for women. Bengal has failed its women, not Bengal society. The present government of Bengal has failed the women folk. Bengal should again be brought back to its pristine glory, where women had their own respectable place in society. That has been lost. They are scared. They are scared of gundas. This has been created by a government which is insensitive to this issue. You know, we take pride in the fact, yatra naryastu pujyanti, ramante tatra devata. Where women are honored, there the gods rejoice. But unfortunately, in Bengal, the government has ensured that women have no protection. That is what is reflected in the gruesome tragedy that has taken place in RG Kar. That should not be repeated again.
All right, we've heard what C.V. Anand Bose has to say. My colleague Rainik Datta still reporting to us live right outside the RG Kar Medical College. Rainik, it seems that the political arena is still rife with the leaders taking jibes at each other, taking digs at each other. This time it is West Bengal governor who has slammed the Mamata Banerjee-led government, stating that West Bengal is not a safe place for women anymore and that the situation in the state continues to degenerate. He's stating that this place, the society, should be a place where women feel happy and secure, but the administration has failed in the mission towards protecting all the women in West Bengal. Take our viewers through the latest that's taking place in the political arena.
एकदम देखिए आरजी कौर मेडिकल कॉलेज का ये इंसिडेंट के बाद आज गवर्नर की तरफ से जो बयान दिया गया है उसमें साफ साफ वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर वो दोष दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये पूरा घटना के बाद वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो स्टेप लिया गया था उसको लेकर ही आज वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नर की तरफ से कहा गया कि पश्चिम बंगाल में जो महिला का सुरक्षा वो सही नहीं है, वो जो महिला का सुरक्षा का सिचुएशन वो सही नहीं चल रहा है। ये दवा भी आज गवर्नर की तरफ से कहा गया है। आज गवर्नर की तरफ से राजभवन में जो रक्षाबंधन का अनुष्ठान था उसमें बीजेपी लीडर के तरफ से उनको रक्षाबंधन रखी भी बांधा गया और उसके साथ साथ ही जो प्रोग्राम था उस प्रोग्राम के बाद ही गवर्नर की तरफ से ये इस तरीके का बयान दिया गया कि पश्चिम बंगाल में जो महिला का सुरक्षा है वो सुरक्षा सही नहीं है और गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर पूरा आरोप गवर्नर की तरफ से दिया गया।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.